Hello guys, this is Black Jeff of Forex. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Now, I came up with a plan and I got to find out that there are a lot of persons that can't pay for Forex tutorial or Forex training. So I decided to put out a complete training from beginner level to advanced level. You get so this course is free of charge and it's going to be on YouTube. So kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Now I'll be teaching from beginner level to advanced level from one video to the other. So kindly subscribe so that you can get notified when I drop the next video. Now, starting from today, the very first thing I want to talk about is myself. Now, I want to introduce myself because I'm the tutor of this class. And I will start by saying my name is Black Jeff, and I'm the founder Black Jeff Forex Academy. But a lot of persons call me Black Jeff for Forex. And I will be your Forex guide in this journey. So it's going to be a very, very short video and going to be very, very educative. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and go to the comment section and give your review about the video. Now, our first topic would be on candlestick. Now, what are candlesticks? Now, candlesticks there are different ways you can analyze the market, different ways you can use to analyze the market. There are some persons that use line graph. This is a line graph, a line chart. There are some persons that use a line chart. This is a um, pictorial representation of a line chart. There are some persons that use bar charts. This is a bar chart, right? Now, this is candlesticks. Candlesticks. Now, these things that look like waves, some persons call it heartbeats. These are candlesticks. Now, if you observe carefully, you will notice that you are seeing two colors, two different colors, two different colors. You are seeing the green color and you are seeing the red color. Now, what do you observe while looking at these two colors? Now, did you notice that as the market is pushing up, it's forming green candles, but as the market is pushing down, it is forming more of red candles. As the market is pushing up, it is forming more of green candles. Then, as the market is pushing down, it is forming more of red candles. Now, let me go to another chart and show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, look at this list now. This is a perfect example of what I was trying to explain. Now, look at this guy now. As the market was moving to the upside, moving upwards, as it was moving upward, it was forming more of green candles. Now, as it was coming back down, as it was coming down from here, it was forming more of red candles. Now, what does this tell you? This will simply tell you that, okay, green candles produces what we call uptrend in the market. When we have cases whereby we have series of plenty green candles, it means that this market is an uptrend. Now, when we have the case whereby the market is forming plenty red candles, it means that this market is a downtrend. Now, this is what we call candlestick. Now, for a candlestick, there are different parts of a candlestick. Different parts of a candlestick. Now, for a candlestick, there are different parts. We have the body of a candle, and we have what is called the wick. Now, let me explain now. If you look carefully, let me find a particular candle. Let me zoom in. Okay, now let's use this red candle now. Let's use this red candle. Okay, let me see zoom in. Now let's use this red candle here. Look at this red candle. We're using this red candle here. Let's use this red candle here. This red candle, we're using this red candle. Now, if you observe carefully, you will see that this red candle has formed a very long red candle. Then it now has something like a thread. Now, let me take you back to, for those of you in Nigeria, if you know that for most homes, while it is while it is late, we use, there is a candle, there is not the normal candle, there is that white thread at the top of the light candle that you light, that will bring light to the room. Yes, that is the same thing that is here, this white thread. Now, you know that outside that white thread, the other part of the candle is called the body. It is same thing with this guy here. So everything here is called the body. This is the body of a candle. This red guy here is called the body of a candle. This is the body of a candle. The body of a candle. Now, in Forex, this small thing here, this small thread, we don't call it thread in Forex. We call it wick. W-I-C-K. This tiny thread here, we don't call it thread. We call it wick. So this is the wick of a candle. Wick. Now, we have the same thing here. We have it at the top and at the bottom. Now, we have a wick here, and we have a wick here. So whenever you see this tiny thread on the candle, just know that it is called wick. W-I-C-K. Wick. We have the wick here. We have the wick here. Then this whole red fat body is called body. This is the body of the candle. Now, for this green candle, let me use a green candle as an example. This green candle, we have a small wick at the top, and we have a very long wick at the bottom. A very long wick at the bottom. Now, there is something I want to share with you guys, which is candlestick open and candlestick close. Now, remember I told you guys earlier that for a downtrend, it will be producing series of or more of red candles, while for an uptrend, it will be producing more of green candles. To be producing more of green candles. More of green candles. Then for a downtrend, it will be producing more of red candles. So this is this for downtrend. Now, the next part is candlestick open and candlestick close. Now, if you already know that this candle will be producing, for a downtrend, to be producing more of downtrend or more of red candles, now it means that the candle usually for a red candle now, the candle usually open at this point and closes at this point. For a red candle, look at, I want you guys to observe something now. For a red candle, it will open at this point. So here now is my candlestick open. Then this bottom here is my candlestick close. Why is there my candlestick open? Because this was where it started from. Now this market was coming down, it closed here. So a new one will open here and close here. Then this same guy here, it will open here, close here, open here, close here. So for a downtrend, the market will always open from here and close from here for a downtrend. Why for a buy candle, the market will open here and close here. Now, let me explain better now. For a downtrend, it will open at the top and close at the bottom. It will open at the top, then close at the bottom. For a red candle, it will open at the top and close at the bottom. While for a green candle, it will open at the bottom and close at the top. So it is just opposite of each other. Now remember that the red candle is coming down. It is selling. Then the green candle is going up. Now, as the red candle is selling, it is opening at the top and closing at the bottom. It is the opposite of the green candle. The green candle, it is opening at the bottom, then closing at the top. Please, like I said earlier, that I will be making more content from beginner level to advanced level. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to get the rest part of the class. I'm not going to charge you for the class. I won't charge for the teaching. The teaching is free of charge. It's only mentorship that is being paid for. And I'll be charging $100 for mentorship. But if you believe you are smart enough, you can go through the classes without mentorship, then you are good. But if you have a question, you can ask your question in the comment section. I will be there to answer your question. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So like I said for a red candle, it will always open at the top and close at the bottom. Open at the top, close at the bottom. Open at the top, close at the bottom. Open at the top, close at the bottom. While for a green candle, it will always open at the bottom and close at the top. So this is this for this candle representation, candlestick representation. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is candlestick time frame. Now, if you look at my left side, you see that my cursor is pointing to 15 minutes. What does this mean? It means that one candle, remember I've told you guys that this is candle, one candle represents 15 minutes. This next candle represents 15 minutes. This next candle represents 15 minutes. This next candle represents 15 minutes. Meaning, remember, let me tell you one thing now. How to know this is that just make sure you start your counting from o'clock. That is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Just make sure that you are starting from o'clock. Then you start counting 15 minutes after. Now, if you start from o'clock, it means that, what's it called? If you're starting from o'clock, it means that the first candle will open by 12 o'clock and it will close by 12:15. Then the next candle will open by 12:15 and close by 12:30. Now, the next candle will open by 12:31 and close by 12:45. Then the next one will open by 12:46 and close by 1 o'clock. Now, meaning this candle that is currently moving now, this one that is currently moving now, it will close by 1 o'clock, which is the next 15 minutes. Now, if you move to 30 minutes time frame now, it means that each candle here represents 30 minutes. It means that each candle here represents 30 minutes. Each candle here represents 30 minutes. One candle is 30 minutes. The next one is 30 minutes. The next one is 30 minutes. The next one is 30 minutes. Remember, I told you to always start from o'clock. Meaning, if one candle is starting by 12 o'clock, the next candle will close by 12:30. Then a new one will begin by 12:31 and close by 1 o'clock. Then the next one will begin by 1:01 and close by 1:30. So like that. That is that for 30 minutes time frame. Now, if I move to 1 minute time frame now let me show you guys something now. Let me move to 1 minute time frame. Currently now, it means that each candle represents 1 minute, meaning after 1 minute, this candle will close, a new one will begin. This candle, look at it, a new one has started. Look at it now, a new one has started. Now, let's just wait for another 1 minute. We will see that this one will stop and a new one will continue. A new one will continue. Let's see what will happen now. Let's just wait for 1 minute and see what will happen. Currently now, the time is right here, and right now, the time is 12:49. So by 12:50, I expect this guy to stop. Look at it, time is already 12:50, it has stopped, and a new one started. A new one started by 12:51. It's now pushing to the upside. So this is what I mean. So the time frame is what will determine the candlestick you'll be working with. If you are on M1, it means that each candle will be opening and closing every 1 minute. If you are on M5, it means that each candle will be opening and closing every 5 minutes. If you are on M10, it means that the candle will be opening and closing every 10 minutes. If you are on H4, it means that the candle will be opening and closing every 4 hours. It means that each candle now, it will take 4 hours from this guy to open from here and close here. Open from here and close here. That is what this guy represents. So this is all you need to know about candlesticks. This is all you need to know about candlesticks. So I'll be stopping here for today. I would like you to go through this video and make sure you get your notes, you are writing down the things I'm saying, and you are practicing. You get. So, like I said earlier, that if you want, my classes are free of charge, but if you want to pay for mentorship, just go to the comment section or get our company's phone number, reach out to us, then you'll be part of the mentorship students. So this is all you need to know about candlesticks. I believe I've been able to pass something to you guys. So this is Blackjack for Forex once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.